Hi, fourth grade. Welcome to your awards assembly. I want to remind you that if you are in your home and you are attending our assembly, that we're a little bit fancy at these assemblies. So we sit up straight, we honor each other, we respect each other as we receive awards. So today, your teachers will be sharing with you who has received an award for the third 9 weeks of time. That means from Christmas break to spring break. So your performance during that time for perfect attendance, AB honor roll, A honor roll, and then commitment to excellence. And we have the approaches, meets, and masters awards we'll be giving today as well. So some of you will be receiving a hoodie or a shirt and mini certificates. I want you to know that those will all be put in a bag for you, and your parents can come pick them up starting on May 1st. So you will get them before next school year, but we hope that at the beginning of the year, you wear them to school. So we'll see you in them then. But I have some ladies here who want to say hi to you.
Hi, everybody. It's Miss Flores. I'm so proud of the work you guys put in the third 9 weeks. I miss you guys a lot.
Hey guys, this is Ms. Centeno. I'm also very proud of everybody. I'm enjoying everybody's work and getting to see how hard you are working from home. So keep it up.
Hi guys, it's Miss Belcher. Just wanted to say hi and glad that we were able to celebrate all the successes that you had over the third 9 weeks.
Hi everybody. Is it my turn? Yeah. Hi everybody. I miss you guys. I'm very proud of all the work you're doing. I look forward to seeing y'all all the time when we have our video Zoom conferences, but just stay connected and have a good time and keep working hard.
Hola, cuarto grado. Estoy muy emocionada de darles este premio. Estoy muy orgullosa por todo el trabajo que han hecho. Y bueno, espero y nos podamos ver pronto.
Awesome. All right, guys. So without further ado, we will get started. I'm going to share my screen with you so you can see the PowerPoint for your awards today. So it's a little different than being there in real life, but we are going to get started with our perfect attendance award. So our perfect attendance at school on time every day from Christmas break to spring break.
So for perfect attendance, we have Ashley Alcántara Avila, Mia Alejandro Paredes, Janice Brzezowski, Colson Gilman, Ella Glass, Gabriela Gomez Acabal, Tiberius Gonzalez, Lauren Govea, Rylan Hall, Kelsey Hanks, Emily Jacinto, Jacqueline Maffei, Lynette Munoz, Caden Updike, Juan Ramirez Jr., Victor Ramos, Jaden Ruiz de Leon, Jocelyn Vasquez.
Awesome job. Good job, guys. All right, our next award is for AB honor roll, meaning that on your report card you had all 80s or in the 90s. So AB honor roll for third grade.
In fourth grade.
For fourth grade.
In fourth grade, for AB honor roll, we have Ashley Alcantara Avila, Alicia Altman, Alex Angel Martinez, Janice Brzezowski, Caleb Esquivel, Ashlyn Flynn, Bethany Garza, Malia Gibbs, Colson Gilman, Ella Glass, Gabriela Gomez Acabal, Rylan Hall, Kelsey Hanks, Jacqueline Maffei, Isla Martinez, Meredith McCurdy, Kiara Munt, Lynette Munoz, Alex Piñon Gonzalez, Victor Ramos, Samuel Reed, Jaden Ruiz de Leon, and Ayana Tran-Abels.
Awesome job, guys. All right, our next award is for all A honor roll for the third 9 weeks for fourth grade. So you made all in the 90s on your report card.
In fourth grade, in the third 9 weeks, the curriculum became very, very difficult. And we actually had no friends make all A honor roll. But that does not mean that we are not successful, and we're going to work very hard to rise to that level.
Okay, there we go.
Yay.
Okay, our next award is for commitment to excellence. I want to remind you what this award means. This award is given to 2 scholars in each class. Those scholars are ones that work hard every single day, even when it gets tough, so they do not give up.
Okay, so these awards go to Caleb Esquivel, Lauren Govea, Kevin Hernandez, Levi Lyons, Madison Macias, Gabriela Navarro, Valentin Nunez, and Chastity Rangel.
Awesome job, guys. All right, our next award is for scoring approaches on your practice STAR test that we took in February. So approaches for the state of Texas would have meant passing. So if you scored approaches on that test and we would have taken a STAR test in May, you would have passed for the school year. So let's hear it for who scored approaches.
All right, so for approaches, we'll start with writing. So these friends got approaches for writing. Donna Alvarez, Gabrielle Gomez, Tiberius Gonzalez, Jacqueline Maffei, Kiara Munt, Rodrigo Munoz, Gabriela Navarro, Alex Pignon, Victor Ramos, Samuel Reed, Juels Reed, Jaden Ruiz de Leon, Ayana Transable, Jocelyn Vasquez, and Juliana Vela Aguilar. So those are the ones for writing. For math, we had Ashley Alcantara, Mia Alejandro Paredes, Alicia Altman, Joseph Benitez, DJ Cavender, Jacob Garcia, Colson Gilman, Vincent Gonzalez, Kevin Hernandez, Levi Lyons, Gabriela Navarro, Caden Opdyke, Juan Ramirez Jr., Jesus Ramos, Chastity Rangel, Ayana Transable, Jocelyn Vasquez, and Juliana Vela Aguilar. So those were our math approaches. For approaches for reading, we have Ashley Alcantara, Mia Alejandro Paredes, Janice Berezowski, Naomi Edens Compton, Caleb Esquivel, Ashlyn Flynn, Jacob Garcia, Bethany Garza, Malia Gibbs, Gabriela Gomez, Vincent Gonzalez, Jacqueline Maffei, Alejandro Martinez, Lynette Munoz, Gabriela Navarro, Caden Opdyke, Juan Ramirez Jr., Chastity Rangel, Macario Reyes, Jaden Ruiz de Leon, Ayana Transable, and Xavier Villarreal.
Woo, so many of our friends. Good job, guys. All right, so our next award is for the Meets Club, meaning that in one of the subject areas that you would be tested on for STAR, so it's reading, math, and writing, you made the score of Meets. So that score is different for each grade level and each subject area. You should know exactly what that score is. You got it on this last test, and you'll be getting a shirt. So let's hear who they are.
So these are our friends who made Meets. So we'll start with writing. So we have Malia Gibbs, Isla Martinez, Meredith McCurdy, Rylan Hall, Colson Gilman, and Vincent Gonzalez. Those were our friends who made Meets for writing. For math, we have Ashlyn Flynn, Malia Gibbs, Ella Glass, Rylan Hall, Kelsey Hanks, Jacqueline Maffei, Isla Martinez, Meredith McCurdy, Jaden Ruiz de Leon, and Alex Pignon. For meets for reading, we have Rylan Hall, Isla Martinez, and Alex Pignon. Great job, guys.
Good job, guys. All right, so now we have our Masters Club, which means you got almost all the answers correct for start. I know you guys know exactly what this score is because many of you have talked to me about it. So let's find out who scored Masters. And if your name is called for the Masters Club and you've never been in it before, you're getting a hoodie.
Woohoo! All right, for Masters, for writing, it's your composition and those wonderful questions. So these friends made Masters: Janice Brzezowski, Ella Glass, Kelsey Hanks, and Lynette Munoz. Very exciting, friends. For math, we have Janice Brzezowski, Kiara Munt, Samuel Reed, Gabriela Gomez, Victor Ramos were our math friends.
Yay.
For reading, we had Meredith McCurdy, Kiara Munt, Samuel Reed, Colson Gilman, Ella Glass, Kelsey Hanks, and Levi Lyons.
Awesome job, Masters Club. Can't wait to see you guys sporting your hoodies. Our last award today for our 4th grade assembly is for growth. So this was based on 3rd grade star to the practice star that you took in February. The state sets a growth goal for you and you had to meet that. I do know, and teachers correct me if I'm wrong, that if our friends scored astronomical growth from the December mock star to the February, meaning like 20 points or more, that we're also giving them a certificate.
Yes.
All right, Ms. Flores is saying yes. So those are the way you do that, guys. It's from last year's star, 3rd to 4th grade. Did you meet your state growth goal? Or did you move up more than 20 points from the mock star in December to February? So let's hear it for who made growth.
All right, so for writing, we have Donna Alvarez Garza, Alex Angel Martinez, Joseph Benitez, Janice Brzezowski, Lily Kalunga, Caleb Dixon, Jacob Garcia, Bethany Garza, Malia Gibbs, Colson Gilman, Ella Glass, Gabriela Gomez, Tiberius Gonzalez, Lauren Govea, Kelsey Hanks, Alejandro Martinez, Meredith McCurdy, Lynette Munoz, Rodrigo Munoz, Gabriela Navarro, Valentin Nunez, Juan Ramirez Jr., Victor Ramos, Juels Reed, Jocelyn Vasquez, Juliana Vela Aguilar, and Xavier Villarreal. Great jobs for writing. All right, let's look at reading. We have Caleb Esquivel.
Sorry about that. Just decided to clap in the middle there.
Yay.
So many. I thought we were done, but we weren't. All right, go ahead, Ms. Felder.
I know, that's great that we had so many grow for writing.
They grow. That's a big deal.
Yes. So let's look at reading now. We have Caleb Esquivel, Jacob Garcia, Colson Gilman, Vincent Gonzalez, Kelsey Hanks, Kevin Hernandez, Levi Lyons, Madison Macias, Meredith McCurdy, Kiara Munt, Gabriela Navarro, Victor Ramos, Samuel Reed, Macaria Reyes, Jaden Ruiz de Leon. Great job for reading.
Maybe I'll just play this for reading too.
All right, and then we have math.
Just trying to be consistent, Miss Belcher.
Of course.
Sorry.
And then we have math. Ashley Alcantara, Joseph Benitez, Janice Brzezowski, DJ Cavender, Malia Gibbs, Gabriela Gomez, Vincent Gonzalez, Lauren Govea, Kelsey Hanks, Madison Macias, Meredith McCurdy, Gabriela Navarro, Mia Paredes, Victor Ramos, Emmanuel Rojas, Jewels Reed, Jaden Ruiz de Leon, Jocelyn Vasquez, Juliana Vela Aguilar, and Danielle Villadolza.
Sola.
Rosana.
Dozla.
There we go. It's clap time. All right, guys, I'm going to stop sharing my screen for just a second, but I do want to take a moment to tell you how proud we are of you and your progress. Guys, that was a ton of awards that were given out for your academic performance, and something we strive for is academic excellence and what that means for you. And I feel like many of you met that during the third 9 weeks of time, so we are super proud of you. And I'm hoping that over this 9 weeks, even though we're home, you can make progress in your reading, progress in math and writing and in science, and really enjoy your time with your family. So I don't know if your teachers have anything to say before we close out, but Ms. Whitfield is proud of you.
We're proud of you guys.
Yes.
Miss you.
We miss everybody. Can't wait to see you again.
All right, bye guys.
Bye.
Bye.